In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E printer with the Windows laptop. We are going to use the home Wi-Fi network to connect this printer. Now the first step is to go to the Windows display panel. You have to download the HP Smart app. This is the Windows 11 laptop. Now go to the search section and type in HP Smart app. Select this HP Smart. In this app we have to do the setup process. Switch on your printer and then click on the add a printer or printer icon. It will search for the available printers. Normally it should display your printer. You can just select HP OfficeJet Pro 8130E and then click on the continue. Make sure your laptop is connected to your home or office wireless network. Automatically it will ask you to connect with the Wi-Fi. Click continue. You don't have to enter the password, automatically it will do that. It will ask you to confirm the app on the display panel of the printer. Click allow and continue the setup process on your Windows laptop. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click continue. Printer driver is successfully installed. Click continue. So it takes few minutes. You can see the setup is easy. It displays on the main screen your printer with estimated level of ink. You have options to do the scanning and printing. So let's do the printing and scanning test. You can select any document to print and give a print command. For example, I'm just going to print one of the document here. Select HP OfficeJet Pro E. It's ready. Paper output tray is here. You can just extend it. Automatically it has two-sided printing option. That's the printing. Let's do the scanning. For scanning we can use the scanner bed and we can also use the automatic document feeder that is on the top. So let's close this window and open the HP Smart app. Click on the scan icon. Select if you want to use the feeder tray or scanner glass. Resolution we can go up to 1200 dpi glass. So place the page you want to scan facing down and then go to your laptop and click on the scan icon. You can also change settings, like if you want more DPI, if you want color or black scanning. So it's transferring the scan. Scan is successfully transferred. Press OK. If you want, you can save it or you can share it. So this way we can do the setup of this printer with the Windows laptop using your home or office Wi-Fi network, and then we can start using it over the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.